The end of the module. You can see it is written here 4-figure grid reference or grid number and 6-figure grid reference. Actually, the main purpose of grid is to locate a place on the topographical map. So we use these two systems, 4-figure, also known as grid number, and for specific location we use this 6-figure grid reference. Now I'll be explaining to you how to find out the 4-figure and 6-figure. But you have to remember that already I have discussed in the second video about the eastings and the northings. So just like you write X, Y, A, B, C. So the golden rule is to write first eastings and then northings. There will be no space in between. There will be no bracket, just the digits will be written. Like for example, I'll be writing 0, 1 which stands for eastings and 2, 3 which stands for northings. So in the same manner, we'll be writing the 4-figure grid reference or grid number. Now let us let me explain to you how to find out the 4-figure grid reference. I have taken few lines of eastings and northings here. You can see it clearly. Few lines are taken. These are the lines of eastings. Why we call them eastings? Because you can see that they are increasing towards east, propagating towards east. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and so on. And these lines I have taken as, these are called northings because you can see they are increasing towards north. 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 2, 0, 3 and 0, 4. And the intersection of these lines have formed what? These are called grid squares. So each of these grid square will have their own identification number. And this is what we call it as 4-figure grid reference or grid number. If you refer to page 13 of your book, you can see 4-figure grid reference. It is written there. 4-figure grid references are used to give the locations of objects that occupy a large area within a particular square. Large lakes, meanders, settlements, embankments, and streams can be located with the help of 4-figure grid references. In a 4-figure grid reference, the first two figures, they are eastings, and the last two figures are the northings. The order will remain like this: first eastings, then northings. This is the golden rule. You cannot change the order. If you change the order, then it will be wrong. Now let us take some examples here. Let us see what is the grid number for this particular grid square. As I have shown you early in that map, you can see that the origin always is in which corner? From southwest corner. The origin lies in the southwest corner. Because from this corner, when you are drawing x and y axis, suppose if you are drawing x and y axis, so if you have, this is y axis and this is x axis. So this corner is the southwest corner. This is the origin. From here it begins like this or this way. So therefore, in national grid also, the origin will be always in the southwest corner. Let us consider this grid square. Now for this grid square, where is the origin? The origin is here, that is the southwest corner. Now just see which line of easting passes through this origin. So it is 23, and therefore I'll be writing here 23. And which line of northing passes through this? I'll be writing 0, 2. So then this 2302, it becomes the 4-figure grid reference or grid number for this particular grid square. We can take another example. If we take this, for example, this is a grid square. Where is the origin? This is the origin, southwest corner. So which line of easting passes through this? First easting. Which line of easting passes through this? It is 25. And which line of northing passes through this? It is 03. So I'll be writing 03. Now if you change the order, suppose if you have written 03 and 25, then you don't have that grid number, that grid square in this block. So therefore you have to remember that first eastings and northings. Okay. So this is how you will be doing it. On the topographical map also you can find out this, you will be doing it, and as an example. So these are the grid squares. So I want to find out the 4-figure grid reference of this grid square. So therefore this point will be the southwest corner, and I'll be seeing which line of easting passes through this. It is 05. So I'll be writing 05 here, 05. And which line of northing passes through it? It is 26. And therefore the 4-figure grid reference of this grid square is 0526. Same way, this will be 0326. This will be 0426. This will be 0425. Because this is the, after 26 you have 25 and then you have 24. So in this manner you have to practice for 4-figure grid reference. Now let us come to the 6-figure grid reference. 6-figure grid reference gives you the specific location. Now let us come to the 6-figure grid reference, which gives you a specific location. Like I have taken two squares here, and I have represented a point B and here a point A, and I want to give the location of this point. So right now you have an aid. You can see that in your topography book you have got an aid. So you will be practicing with the aid, and later on you will be shifting to another method which I'll tell you later on. First, right now you will be practicing with the aid. Now you can see that this is a grid square, and what will be the 4-figure grid reference here of this grid square? This is the origin here. So line of easting passes, so I'll be writing it here. I'll be writing it 2, 4. And then which line of northing passes through this? 0, 0. And there will be some blank space because I have to put 2 more digits here. Then you will have 6 digits. So this is the 4-figure grid reference, 2400. But you are supposed to give 6-figure. That's why I have left a space between these eastings and northings. This is eastings and this is northings. Now let me put this here. And you can see that this line that is from 24 to 25, there are many 10 divisions, 10 equal divisions. This 24 to 25 has been equally divided into 10 equal divisions. And same way along the northing we have equally divided into 10 equal divisions. Now you can see the point here, it is to which point it is coinciding. Now 24 is the easting. So 24, this will be 24-1, this will be 2-4-2, this will be 2-4-3, this will be 2-4-4, 2-4-5 and 2-4-6. You can see this 2-4-6 is coinciding with the point A. And therefore, I'll be writing it here 2-4-6. Now let us come to the northings. You can see the northings. So it is 0 0. The next line is 0 1. But there are 10 equal divisions between these two lines. First one will be 0 0 1, then 0 0 2, 0 0 3, 0 0 4, 0 0 5, 0 0 6, 0 0 7. Now this point is coinciding with 0 0 6. That means 6 here. So I'll be writing it 0 0 6. So then this is the specific location for this point A. Let us take another example here. B. You can see that what is the 4-figure grid reference for this B? What is the 4-figure? So if this is the southwest corner, so therefore I'll be writing it. Let me write it here. It will be 2 1, then there will be a gap, and 0 2. 2 1 is the line of easting and 0 2 is the line of northing. So I have to fill up these two gaps. For that, what I'll do, I'll put this block here. You can see. Now you can see this 0 2. Now first one I did with the points here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is there. But when you go to the divisions, it will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. No way you can have 7 digits. So always you will be restricting yourself to 6 digits. 6 digits. So if you go with the divisions, the first division will be 0. Then this one will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Same way 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And if you go with the line, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If you go with the division, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So let us take this point B. So 0 2 is the line of easting. So since it is not lying on this any of this line, it is lying on the divisions. So we'll take 0 2 0, 0 2 1 and 0 2 2. So I'll be writing it here. 2 1 0. Very sorry. 2 1 0, 2 1 1 and 2 1 2. So I'll be writing it here. 2 1 2. Then next one, let us see here. This is the northing. This is the northing. So 0 2 0. Then this will be 0 2 1, 0 2 2, 0 2 3 and 0 2 4. So I'll be writing it here 4. Okay. So then 2 1 2 0 2 4 is the 6-figure grid reference of point B. Now let us take the topographical map. Let us take an example from here and let us take this point. I want to give the 6-figure grid reference of this. This is a survey tree. So what I'll do, I will set the square here. You can see exactly it is there. Exactly. And the 4-figure grid reference is 0 6 and 2 1. 0 6 and 2 1. This is the line of easting 0 6 and this is the line of northing 2 1. So in order to give the 6-figure grid reference of this survey tree, you can see it is lying on the line 2. So therefore I'll be writing as 062, and again it is lying on this line 4. This is 4. Okay, so therefore it will be 214. So you have the 6-figure grid reference as 062214.